Hey guys, how are you today? Is everything okay? So today I will be showing you how I paint the face in oil. I start by carefully mixing the paints with a palette knife before I begin. The first strokes are done with darker tones. They help capture the overall shape without too much pressure. So I begin by loosely blocking the main forms. At this stage, I'm not focusing on the details, just try to keep the balance right. So I place the facial features lightly, knowing I can always adjust them later. So I just try to keep things relaxed and flexible here. Once the overall mood and structure start to come together, I begin layering colors and gradually refining the shape. Starting to gradually paint the eyes as well. See how it starts to look more three-dimensional as I add the highlights? And you can see adding the dark line along the edge instantly make it look more defined. See, it's starting to look three-dimensional. Time to work on the shadows in the hair. And now adding some highlights to the hair. Adding highlights to the hair is the fun part, isn't it? Now I'm adding the reflective light on the lips as well. Let's add some highlights to the cheeks to bring out more depth overall. It's really coming together nicely. Also notice high, so highlights are very noticeable. Now I'll start adding the background. I want to keep it soft, so I'm going with pale tones. Yeah, it's coming together well. Alright, that's it. Finished. Thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope this was helpful in some way. And by the way, I've uploaded some new artwork on Patreon. You can check it out through the link in the description, just if you're interested. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!